Hi, everyone, and welcome back to MS Lily English, your cozy corner for English and good vibes. I'm Lily.
And I'm Jason. I have to confess something. Today's topic fits me perfectly.
Oh, let me guess. You had a very lazy Sunday, didn't you?
Guilty. I woke up at 10 a.m., stared at the ceiling for 10 minutes and thought, do I really have to move?
That's the classic Sunday mood. No alarm, no rush, just peace and maybe pancakes.
Exactly. Sunday is the one day when doing nothing feels like an achievement.
So today, let's talk about how to describe your lazy Sunday in English. Perfect for small talk, friends, or even chatting online.
That's great, because when someone asks, how was your weekend? I always say, good. Then my brain goes blank.
We'll fix that today. Let's start from the morning. Jason, how do you usually start your lazy Sunday?
Well, first I sleep in. That means I wake up later than usual. For example, I slept in until 10 a.m. on Sunday.
Yes, sleep in is a great phrase. Everyone loves to say it. And after that?
After that, I stay in bed scrolling through my phone, just checking messages, maybe watching a few funny videos.
You can say, I stayed in bed and scrolled on my phone. Or, I caught up on social media.
That's right. Then I make a slow breakfast. Eggs, toast, and a big cup of coffee.
You can describe it like this. I had a slow morning with a simple breakfast. It sounds calm and relaxing.
And sometimes I say, I took it easy. That means I didn't rush or do anything stressful.
Perfect phrase. Take it easy means to relax, not worry too much. Everyone needs that once in a while. What about you, Lily? How do you spend your lazy Sunday?
Mine starts with soft music and sunlight coming through the window. I usually make coffee and read something peaceful.
That sounds like a scene from a movie. Meanwhile, I'm still in my pajamas trying to find matching socks.
You can say, I stayed in my pajamas all morning. That's another great Sunday phrase.
Yeah, I stayed in my pajamas and watched Netflix. That's a real Sunday sentence.
Exactly. Let's review some useful phrases for everyone listening. Sleep in, wake up late. Take it easy, relax, don't stress. Stay in pajamas, no need to dress up. Catch up on social media, read updates or messages.
All perfect for lazy days. Now, let's move to the afternoon. What do you usually do after lunch, Lily?
If the weather is nice, I take a walk in the park. You can say, I went for a walk to clear my mind.
I love that. Sometimes I do the same too. Or I take a nap, just a short sleep in the afternoon.
Right. You can say, I took a nap after lunch. That's very common and sounds natural.
Sometimes I call it a power nap. It sounds more productive even though it's just sleeping again.
True. And if you don't want to go outside, you can say, I stayed at home and did nothing.
That's my favorite line, but let's make it sound better. I had a quiet afternoon at home.
Beautiful. You see, the same idea can sound more natural in English with small changes.
Yeah, lazy doesn't mean boring. It's peaceful, like recharging your soul.
I love that. Recharging your soul. That's a lovely phrase.
Exactly, because sometimes being lazy is healthy. It's your body saying, hey, take a break.
So true. And here's a tip. When talking about your weekend, add small details. Instead of saying, I relaxed, say, I sat on the balcony, listening to the birds.
That's beautiful.
Right? Very. Okay, quick mini practice. Repeat after me. I took it easy on Sunday. I stayed in bed and watched my favorite show. I had a slow breakfast and no plans.
Great job. See, your English doesn't need to be perfect. It needs to be real.
Exactly. The goal is not to sound like a textbook. It's to sound like you. I think that's the magic of lazy Sundays. They remind us to slow down and enjoy small moments.
And learning English can be the same. Step by step, phrase by phrase, no rush.
Yes, even a quiet day can teach us beautiful English expressions. So, Lily, what's one phrase you'd use to describe your perfect Sunday?
I'd say I spent the day doing absolutely nothing, and it felt amazing.
Perfect. Mine would be I let time slow down.
I love that. Time slowing down like a soft movie scene on a rainy afternoon.
Speaking of rain, I love staying in when it rains. You can say, I stayed inside and listened to the rain.
Beautiful. Nature gives the best background music for lazy days.
All right, listeners, we'll continue with more Sunday expressions, idioms, and tips next. Don't go anywhere. Take a sip of coffee, and let's learn how to talk like a native about lazy Sundays.
All right, we're back. Still on the couch, still lazy, still learning English.
That's the best way to learn. Calm mind, warm drink, cozy atmosphere.
Okay, Jason, I've heard people say, I'm having a chill day. What does that mean exactly?
Great question. A chill day means a relaxing, peaceful day. You're not working or stressing, just resting and doing what you enjoy.
So I can say, I had a chill Sunday watching movies.
Exactly. Or I spent the day chilling at home. It's very natural and friendly.
What about the phrase lazy bones? My grandma used to call me that.
Yes, lazy bones is a funny nickname for someone who doesn't want to move. It's playful.
So if I say I was a lazy bones all Sunday, it means I did absolutely nothing?
Yes, but say it with a smile. It's not rude, just fun.
Okay, listeners, repeat after us. I had a chill day. I spent the whole day chilling at home. I was a lazy bones on Sunday.
Great job. These are all idioms you can use naturally in real conversations.
You know what else I love about lazy Sundays? It's the smell of something baking in the oven.
Oh, yes, like banana bread or cookies. You can say, I baked something sweet on Sunday afternoon. Or, the house smelled amazing.
That's such a cozy image.
It really is. And speaking of cozy, do you know the word snuggle?
Of course, it means to get comfortable, like under a blanket or next to someone warm.
Exactly. So you can say, I snuggled on the sofa with a blanket and my favorite book.
That's Sunday perfection.
Okay, let's do a vocabulary spotlight for today.
Great idea.
Here are 3 useful words and phrases. Chill, relaxed or easygoing. Example, we had a chill day at home. Recharge, rest and get your energy back. Example, I needed Sunday to recharge after a busy week. Unwind, relax after stress. Example, I watched a movie to unwind.
Perfect. These are great for small talk. You can say them to friends, coworkers, or even in an English class.
And remember, listeners, the key to learning is using new words out loud. Don't just read, speak.
Yes. Try this. Close your eyes and think about your last Sunday. What did you do? How did you feel? Now, describe it in one sentence using one of today's phrases.
Go on, say it out loud. For example, I spent my Sunday chilling with my cat. Or, I slept in and had pancakes for breakfast.
See? It's simple, fun, and helps you build real speaking confidence.
Now, let's talk about culture a bit. In many English speaking countries, Sunday is called a lazy day for a reason.
Yes, people slow down, families eat together, some go to church, others just rest and watch sports.
It's all about balance. Even busy people need slow days to reset their minds.
That's true. And it connects perfectly with the growth mindset.
Exactly. The growth mindset means believing you can improve little by little. Resting is part of growing too.
Right. You can't run every day without stopping. Learning English is the same. Slow days are still progress.
So don't feel guilty for resting. Even if you learn just one phrase today, you're already improving.
Say it with us, everyone. One phrase a day keeps fear away. That's your new Sunday motto.
Let's do one more practice together. Repeat after us, slowly and clearly. I took it easy on Sunday. I stayed in my pajamas all day. I recharged my energy for the week ahead.
Beautiful. Every time you repeat a sentence like that, your brain builds stronger English memory.
So, Lily, how do you feel about Mondays after a lazy Sunday?
Honestly, much better. It's like my mind had a soft restart.
That's lovely. And that's the whole idea, learning English while living fully and kindly with yourself.
Yes. Rest, speak, laugh, learn. That's our Sunday formula.
Listeners, we want to hear from you. Comment one phrase you learned today, or tell us about your own lazy Sunday.
And don't forget to subscribe, because next time we'll talk about Monday motivation in English.
Until then, enjoy your peaceful Sunday moments. Take it easy, keep learning, and keep smiling because one English phrase today is one step closer to confidence tomorrow.
See you soon, everyone. Stay cozy, stay curious, and stay connected.
Bye for now, lazy bones.
Bye, everyone.